For this project, you will need a stamp block and stamps of your choice. I used this butterfly pack from the Dollar Tree. You will need a StazOn ink pad in black. You need this particular ink pad because it prints the best on acetate. It is archival, but you will need to let it dry fully before using it with your cyanotype. You will need an acetate sheet, this is just regular acetate, and a Sunprint kit. I test out my composition on blue cardstock before I place it on the Sunprint paper. Stamp your design out on the acetate sheet. Be mindful that it is easy to slide around when stamping, so take your time. Make sure to put your acetate sheet ink side down for a crisp print. Secure your design and place it outside in a sunny area. I exposed this in the midday sun for a couple of minutes. To develop your cyanotype, simply fill 2 baths with water. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide to your second water bath. Immerse your print in the first water bath and rinse it for a few minutes by rocking the water bath gently. Then immerse your print into the hydrogen peroxide bath. The hydrogen peroxide will speed up the oxidation process and reveal the iconic Prussian blueprint. Remove your print and let it dry on a flat surface. For more cyanotype fun and DIY inspiration, visit my website, megandmorrow.com, and be sure to subscribe to this channel.